In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to withdraw money from Printify. We'll start right in your web browser. In the search bar, type Printify and look for the official result. Double-check the URL before you click to make sure you're heading to the real site and not a lookalike. Once you've found the correct link, click through to open the home page. From here, log into your account. Enter your credentials only on the official login page and complete any verification prompts if you use two-factor authentication. A quick security tip: avoid saving passwords on shared devices and don't proceed if your browser warns you about an insecure connection. After you're signed in, head to My Products from the dashboard. This takes you into your main workspace and it helps ensure your account navigation is fully loaded for the next steps. Next, go to the wallet. This is where your Printify balance, payment settings, and transaction history are centralized, so it's the place you'll manage withdrawals. Inside the wallet, click Payments. This focuses the view on your balance and related options. Now look for the Printify Balance section. On that line, you'll see a three-dot More Options menu. Click it, then select Withdraw Balance. That opens the withdrawal window. Type in the amount you want to cash out. Keep in mind, the minimum withdrawal is $5. If the number you enter is below that, the system won't let you proceed. If your available balance looks lower than you expected, part of it may still be pending from recent orders. Only cleared funds can be withdrawn. It's a good idea to leave a small cushion for upcoming order charges if your production costs draw from this balance. When you're ready, review the amount carefully and click Confirm Withdrawal. You should see a confirmation that your request has been submitted. Processing times can vary, so it might not show up instantly in your external account. To keep track of what's happening, open the Transactions tab in your wallet. There, you can check the status of your withdrawal alongside your other debits and credits. If you run into issues, refresh the page. Confirm you're in the correct store if you manage multiple stores, and make sure your browser isn't autofilling the wrong amount. Switching browsers or clearing cache can resolve display quirks. For anything account-specific, refer to the latest guidance in the Help Center, since policies and timelines can update over time. And that's it. You've successfully requested a withdrawal from your Printify balance.